What's up YouTube? It's Victoria. I decided to do a nice spring look, and as you can see, pinks and purples, nice and cool, some silver tones, real pretty like. And I feel that it's something beautiful and a new beginning-ish for spring. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. We're going to use our Tatcha. This is the silk canvas. I can't find my little coins, so we're going to go ahead and take our little bit and then put them on our face. I'm going to use my oldie but goldie, my Laneige, our BB cream. Okay, put it on our face. Alright, and after our face is done, we're going to go ahead and use our Born This Way concealer. If I can get it there, there you go, focused. And I've come to discover that since I am a little bit older, I'm 35, I don't need to put my concealer on like a bunch of the YouTuber people out there, so I am going to use my artist brush. This is the Oval 4. And look at how seamlessly that looks. And then I'm going to spot conceal. Had a little breakout there. Okay, there. Maybe there. And there. Still using the Oval 4. Around my nose. Try this Laura Mercier. I got a little sample of it because, you know, I'm particular about my NARS. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Button Glow. And I've always been fond of this powder. I want to try it and see. You know, I love my peach blur, but I want to try and see what all the fuss is about with this. So I'm going to take my little Japanesque brush. So this is the 718 brush. Okay, and I'm going to put it under here and make it glow. Oh, that looks good. Glow and set. We're going to use my tried and true Goof Proof eyebrow pencil in number 4. Alright, there's our eyebrow, or eyebrows, sorry. And then what we're going to use is our Gimme Brow to kind of give them that bushy kind of look and appearance. Go ahead and fill that out, or fill them up. Next, we are going to prime our eyelids, and we're going to use Urban Decay eyeshadow, or eyeshadow primer anyways, in Sin. You know I gotta have my glue, right? So let's use Base out of the Norvina palette. Because we want a whimsy type look, right? We want a really pretty look.
I like this one or this one.
Look how it gave us nice base. Obviously it's called base. Okay. Then we're going to use, let's use Love. This nice, pretty, salmon-y type pink. Because we want to look pretty, right? Spring, blossoms, pinks. That's the look that we want. So I'm going to do the other eye. Now we're going to use our more dense, domey type brush for more contour and stuff. Let's use some Soul, okay? Okay, while we're at it, take off our baking. And look at how glowy that under eye is. See? Okay, so now we're going to use Wild Child, which is this really pretty iridescent color, and we're just going to use our ring finger. Okay. And then take that, outline with Soul again. And voila, you have a really pretty look right there. And then we're going to take our little under eye liner brush. We're going to go into the Soul, go on the outer portion of the eye, and then we're going to go into Wild Child and go right in the corner. And look, there's our spring eye. Okay, fading. It won't be a Victoria look without my cat eye with my Tom Ford, right? So let's go ahead and put on that cat eye. Okay, for cat eye. And then what we're going to do is that since the shadow is so light, okay, well at least the lid color is, alright, we're going to tightline the eye. So I'm going to use, sorry with the camera, I'm going to use, this is the right one, my Marc Jacobs Blacker eyeliner. Okay, and this actually, once you put it on, it stays on, which is wonderful. So you're going to kind of look up and touch your lid carefully. And look at the difference in how much darker that lid is to this. Makes a huge difference. And also makes your eyelashes look so much thicker. Okay. And then from there, you guessed it, my Bad Gal Bang, my tried and true. My tried and true. Okay. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to contour our face. I think I'm going to use my NYX palette, and we're going to go in with our grayish color. This is the HCPS 07. Okay, and I think I'm going to use this Japanesque, or you know what? No. I'm going to use my 50 brush. Okay, so we're going to go into that color. And lightly contour. We don't want to go too dramatic because it's spring and light, and our eyes are, you know, they're colorful, they're kind of dramatic, so we want to keep them that kind of cool type silvery pink and purple. Okay, I don't think I need to do anything for my forehead. My forehead really isn't too big or too large, so do our under chin. Okay, and then we're going to do our nose. Still the same use of that color. And then we're going to highlight. We're going to use our Urban Decay brush, okay, and we're going to use this cooler color, okay, real light though, because I am darker, and I don't want it to look like ashiness. Okay, so this is with that really pretty silver. And then we're going to go ahead and use our diffused heat hourglass color, and we're going to use the 50 again. Do a light wash of color, okay. And kind of blend it in with the highlight, okay. So we have that nice, really pretty glow. So it almost looks like we were out in the sun, you know, we're looking sun-kissed. And just beautiful. Okay, and now I think as far as lip, I have this sample of Tarte. This is called Salt Life. Okay, this is, I guess, their Hydra collection. Okay. I have hair in my mouth. Sorry. Alright, that's our Salt Life. Okay, and then we use our all-nighter spray. And then there you have it. Here's our spring look. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I will make more time for you guys because I feel like you guys are neglected. I'm so sorry. So I will do so much better. Alright, you guys have a good night.